All right, welcome. All right, welcome everybody back to the channel. I'm running out of sunlight, so I got a quick one for y'all today. Wasn't able to get off water. Been working a lot lately. Ain't been able to get out with enough sunlight, although the days are getting longer. But I got another good one for you today. If you want to catch more fish coming this late winter, early part of the spring spawning season, everything else, I know that a lot of y'all out there, fish lakes that have a lot of laydown stumps, standing timber, rocks in your lakes and stuff like that. And typically, when you go fish those type of things, you're fishing with these types of lures. Your crankbaits, your Texas rig, soft plastics to keep yourself relatively weedless. And crankbaits are they're great for coming through trees and different things, especially your square bills and everything else. But guess what, y'all? I'm gonna put you in on a little something. Now, some of y'all may already know this. Now, if you already know this, don't get your little draws in the water or whatever. I'm just putting this out there for ones that don't know it. And I kind of was hesitant about really sharing this one. I don't know why, but it has caught big fish for me in the past. But it is another way of getting a lure that's typically not weedless. Typically not good at all at going through trees of any kind, limbs of any kind. But this one lure will show you how to get one particular lure into an area of water on a lake with heavy cover and everything else, and let the bass see something that they typically don't see, and it could result in some big catches, as well as a lot of catches and everything else. So I'm gonna put it all in there, and it's a bladed jig. It's a ChatterBait. Matter of fact, it's a Z-Man ChatterBait Mini Max. When I tell you this little lure right here, now for you ones that, hold on, let me show this for the ones that don't know. Mini Max. This is like a ChatterBait, but it's a very down version, much smaller version than your regular typical ChatterBaits right here, like these right here. They're much smaller. If you can see the difference inside, let me get one and put this one right beside it. I wish I had got a lighter color. But if you look at the two, one's relatively much smaller in size. The hook, everything is smaller. I'll keep dropping everything, y'all. I'm trying to rush. But you got a smaller hook, But when I tell you these right here are just as good, y'all don't mind my dogs. They just running around everywhere. But when I tell you these right here are just as good as fishing a crankbait or a Texas rig. Now, it is not 100% snag proof, but I promise you, you will be able to swim a ChatterBait through trees better than you ever have, because these right here, I'm telling you, you're going to get hung up probably 10 out of 10 times. These bad boys right here, they come through like butter. They're like butter, and they give you the opportunity to show the fish in an area of the lake that typically don't see these type of lures coming through, and it could result in some better fish catches, more fish catches for you all. So that's about all I had to say for today, but let me go ahead and show you these again. It's the ChatterBait Mini Max, made by Z-Man. Hey, they're good lures. All chatterbaits catch fish. That's one thing I want to show you. But this chatterbait right here will also give you an opportunity to get in between the trees like you do with a crankbait. Show them something different. Sometimes that's all it takes, is just something a little bit different to catch that big fish that you want, or that numbers that you want. Get down. Y'all, they acting crazy. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here today. I hope y'all enjoyed this thing. I just letting you know I'm not sponsored by any of this stuff right here. You know, they need to hit me up. You know, it would be nice or whatever. But I'm just want to show y'all something that's really good that I've discovered over the last couple of years of fishing that has really helped me out in certain situations. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I know it's getting dark, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one.